Good morning, students. My name is Renu Yadav, and today we will discuss Science, Class 3rd, Chapter 5, Part 3, Plants in the Surroundings. Children, in the last session, we discussed about root, and in this session we will be discussing about stem. Children, this part is the stem portion of the plant. This is the ground surface, and the part which is under it are roots. The part which is under the ground surface are roots, and this whole part is the shoot system, and this thing is called the stem of a plant. Here also we can see that this portion, this is called the stem of a plant. And if we see one more example, this is the stem of a plant. Children, the stem is the main part of the shoot. The stem helps the plant to stand erect. It carries water and minerals from the roots to other parts of the plant. Branches, leaves, flowers, fruits grows on stem. It also carries the food made by leaves to all parts of the plant. Now children, different plants have different type of stems. We can divide stems into trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Children, if we will see at the example of a tree, please look at here. See, this is the example of a tree. A tree is a big, tall plant with very thick, hard and woody stem. See, here you can see that the stem of tree is very thick, hard and woody. See, the stem is thick here. It is hard and woody, and this plant is gulmohar. This is the example of a gulmohar plant with big, tall, hard, thick and woody stems. Second is shrub. Medium-sized plants with bushy and hard but not thick. Children, see, this is a medium-sized plant. The tree was very tall, but this plant is a medium-sized plant which is bushy. See, it's covered all over, which is bushy and hard. Stems are there. See, these are the stems. These brown color structures are the stems of this plant. Okay. With branches. Their stem branches out near the base. Children, if you look here, this is the base of this plant. Okay. And see, so many branches are coming out from the base. See, you can look here. all around there are numerous of branches which are coming out from this base. Okay, this is the example of shrubs. I repeat again, these are medium sized plants and they are bushy, they are very bushy, and the stems are very hard. The stems are hard but they are not thick. See how thin stems are there, no? This brown part, this is the stem. Okay, they are not very thick, they are thin, and they have different branches. See, so many branches are there, so many branches. Their stem branches out near the base, and see, this is the base of the plant, and from here we can see varieties of stems which are branching out. And children, do you know which plant is it? Yes, it is peacock feather plant. Example of a shrub is peacock feather plant. And we have one more example of shrub. It's rose. Rose is also an example of shrub. Okay. Then the third one is herb. Herbs are short plants with green, delicate and tender stems. Children, if we see at this plant, at this beautiful plant, okay, so here these are short plants, they don't have much height. This is a short plant with green and delicate stems. See, the stem here is of green color. As you can see, the stem is of green color and they are very delicate ones, and they may have no or less branches. See, this is the whole plant. This is the support which I have created, and this is the whole plant, and the stem is of green color. See, look here, this part, the green after the leaves, this part, I'll show it to you. This part is the part of stem. This is the stem, and the stem is very delicate. And you know, children, which plant is it? This is, yes, this is holy basil, tulsi. This is the plant of tulsi. It is a very important plant for us, especially in this time, in the time of Corona. We all have eaten lots of tulsi. God has blessed us with this plant to keep us healthy and safe. Next is climbers. Climbers are weak stemmed plants that derive support from climbing up trees and other tall objects. Children, climbers are weak plants. Okay, see, this is the example of climber. This is the example of climber, and this is the stem of climber. Okay, this is the stem of climber, and these are weak. As you can see, I'll show it to you. See, this is the stem, and when I will leave the stem, it will fall down. Okay, so these are weak stems, and see, I have given support to this stem like this here, and now the stem is standing. So climbers are weak stemmed plant that used to derive support. See, children, this one, this is for support. Okay, this is called moss stick, and it used to give support to this kind of plant. Okay, and I have created one structure as well so that the plant can go upwards. See, here it is moving upwards, right? Here it is moving upwards because of the support which is provided here. Okay, so climbers are weak stemmed trees, weak stemmed plants that derive support from climbing up trees and other tall objects. See, if this plant is near to a tree, if I will place this root here, so this stem here, then it will grow on this plant. Okay, now I have placed the stems here on this structure, then these stems are growing upwards on this structure. Okay, see, this is the stem of this plant. Okay, see, there are numerous ones. Here also we can see this part is the stem. Okay, this part. Here if we see closely, see how the stems are attached to the moss stick. See, right children? The nature is very adventurous. Nature is very adventurous. See how the stems are attached to the moss stick. So these are climber, and I hope you all understood which plant it is. It is a money plant. Yes, children, climbers are weak stemmed plants that derive support from climbing up trees and other tall objects. As this plant is taking the support of this moss stick plus this structure. Okay, this plant is growing by taking the support of these two things. Okay, and as the object will be directing it, and the plant will be moving in that direction. See, it is moving upwards. When I will create the structure to the left, then the plant will also move towards the left side. Okay, then next is creeper. Creepers are plants with weak stem that grow along the ground. Creeper are plants with weak stem that grow along the ground around another plant by means of extending stems or branches. Children, see, this is the base of the plant. This is the stem. This is the base of the plant, and this is the stem. And here, see, this is the support system which I have provided to this plant. And see how this plant is growing upwards. See, it has beautiful flowers as well. Let us see them from the front. They are very, very, very beautiful. Okay, if I will show it to you. See, this is the flower of this plant. Okay, and see how is it growing? How is it growing? Very beautifully, right? And it is taking the support of this red color thread which you can see. Okay, this plant is taking the support of this red color structure. And see, you can see the stem of this plant. This is the stem of this plant. See how thin is it? How thin and how green is it? Okay, so let us come to the base again. See, the stems are very thin and weak. Here also we have thin and weak stems. Okay, the stems are thin and weak, and it used to grow around the ground and then branches out. And do you know, children, which plant it is? This is blue bell vine. In Hindi it is called Aparajita. Okay, the name of this plant is blue bell vine. See, look at the flower of this plant. It is looking like a bell, right? And it's blue in color. So The name of the plant is bluebell vine and it is a creeper. Such a beautiful plant, very beautiful plant. And see how beautifully is it growing. See, it has grown up to here. See, it has grown up to here on such a big height. And it will cover so many places. Okay? So children, today we have discussed about stems. Stem is the main part of the shoot. It helps the plant to stand erect and carries water and mineral from the roots to other parts of the plant. And we have seen different types of stems. The first one is tree. See, here you have seen tree, which is hard and woody stem and thick one as well. Okay. Then second is shrub. Shrub is, see here, the peacock feather plant. It is medium sized plant with bushy and hard stems with branches. And the third one is herb. Herb, we have seen the holy basil. Yes, here the holy basil with green, delicate and tender stems. After that we have a climber, the money plant, which is climbing up a tree or other tall objects. Climbers are weak stemmed plant that used to derive support. And after that we discussed about creepers. These are weak stems that used to grow around another plant. And see how weak the stems are, how weak and thin the stems are. Okay children, with this I end up today's session. Goodbye and have a nice day.